garage again because it's still winter time and I still have some jump rails that I need to update and refurbish, and I've got a really fun idea. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, jump painting, welcome! Okay, so I still have quite a few rails that I want to repaint and make beautiful so I can use them this spring. And it's a really nice day out, so I thought I would start painting some of these. And what I'm going to do is take 4 of these rails and paint them with my Rust-Oleum, of course, after I clean them off. And then I'm going to use the spray paint again because I really liked how that turned out, but I have a little bit of a different idea for this set of 4 rails. So let's get painting. more beautifully newly striped rails, all ready for some horse jumps. Woohoo! Can you tell I'm a little bit excited about this? This is just to show you, you can do anything. You can do this with Rust-Oleum paint, you can use spray paint, whatever type of paint you have. You can make some really cool patterns and different designs just by getting a little bit creative with your horse jump rails. Cannot wait to put these to use. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all of my other DIY and horse jump building videos. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.